Today's tutorial is for this lacy scarf. It's a very simple pattern. There is only one repeating row. I worked this scarf with 2 hanks of Expression Fiber Arts yarn, specifically Lavender Tea Luster Sport, 50% superwash merino wool and 50% lyocell. And the total is almost 800 yards. 790 yards to be exact. The hook size that I worked with is D, 3.25 millimeters. The starting chain must be a multiple of 7 plus 6. I start with 76 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 76 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the 4th chain from the hook I will work a double crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here I work a double crochet. And these 3 skipped chains also count as a double crochet. So now I already have 2 double crochets. Now I'm simply gonna work a double crochet into each chain across. Here I finished this row and I have 74 double crochets. I turn my work and I start the next row with a beginning double crochet. I have a detailed video where I show how to make a beginning double crochet. I will leave the link in the description box below. But if you're not comfortable making a beginning double crochet, you can simply replace it with 3 chains. And these 3 chains will count as a first double crochet. However, I prefer to start the row in this pattern with a beginning double crochet. Next, I work a double crochet into the next double crochet. It's the second double crochet. Now I skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and into the next one I work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 2 chains, 1, 2. Now I skip 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the next one I work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again 2 chains, 1, 2, and I skip 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the next double crochet I work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting. Next I'm gonna make 2 chains, skip 6 double crochets and work 5 double crochet into the same double crochet. And I'll see you at the end of the row. Here I am at the end of this row. I just worked 5 double crochets into the same double crochet and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches left. Here is how I'm going to finish this row. I make 2 chains and I skip 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into each one of the last 2 I'm going to work a double crochet. Now this row is finished. So I started this row with 2 double crochets and I finished this row with 2 double crochets. But note that at the beginning of the row, after I made 2 double crochets, I had a group of 5 double crochets right away. But when I ended this row, I had a group of 5 double crochets, then I had 2 chains, and then I had 2 last double crochets. Now I turn my work and I start the next row with a beginning double crochet, or you can make 3 chains instead. Next I work a double crochet into the next double crochet. Now into the first double crochet of this group of 5 double crochets, I'm going to work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the first double crochet of the next group of 5 double crochets right here, I work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the first double crochet of the next group of 5 double crochets, again I work 5 double crochets. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this row. Next I'm going to make 2 chains, then 5 double crochets, then again 2 chains and 5 double crochets. Here I am at the end of the row. I just work 5 double crochets into the first double crochet of the last group of 5 double crochets, and I'm going to finish this row with 2 chains, 1, 2, and then a double crochet into each one of the last 2 double crochets. Now this row is finished, and now all I need to do is to repeat this third row. I'm gonna start showing it again. So first a beginning double crochet, then a double crochet into the next double crochet, then 5 double crochets into the first double crochet of this group of 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2 chains, and again into the first double crochet over here, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 chains, and so on. And after you crochet more rows, this is what it's gonna look like. Very, very pretty. And now for the last row, I'm simply gonna make a row of double crochets. I'm going to make a double crochet into each double crochet and into each chain across. This is what the last row of the scarf looks like. Now I can fasten off and hide the yarn tail.